Connect to ibalik iba talaga pag laki sa Bebran. Kasino pas tunggulo sino fake and shot sa pagkasyon out natin Tuko Tamura back to Abo siya na 15 to ibalik kabitawan nakuha ni Golosino pag-isa connect to Golosino Abo pass to ibalik back to Abo to Sabino pass to Tamura pass to Abo udah 15-9 wala rebound kay Sinan Kote wala pero may foul who's for my foul walang pera connect for one wala rebound kay Kutamura pass to ibalik na ilog kay Golosino 1 against 1 wala rebound kay Golosino pa rin wala pa rin may foul Sinang Kote 1 the next pass down the 10 connect to 2 pass 3-11 sabi to Abo siya na 15 pass to ibalik to Sabino down to 10 shot clock may foul